Zoho is one of the most customizable systems on the market. And if I may say, it's the best. You can build all of your business processes within a single Zoho operating system. But here's the issue. There's not much support for Zoho users to assist you as you learn to customize your system. Hi, my name is Keitha, and I'm a Zoho partner and instructor. I've created a Zoho Connect community for Zoho users like yourself who want to learn how to maximize the use of Zoho applications. Successful Community is a community of Zoho users in the US that is free to join. This is a space where you can learn more about Zoho applications, ask questions, collaborate with other members, and gain fresh ideas in order to streamline your business processes. And we also have live demos and Q&A sessions. Again, it's free to join. To request access, go to successfulsolutions.com/connect.